Good day traders, in today's video I'll be showing you a brief analysis on how BNB is going to hit $100 in less than 4 months. That's for 4 months from now. BNB coin is going to hit $100. All of those in this analysis. If you are new to the channel, my name is Paradise. This is Remit Trade channel. Ensure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and turn on the notification bell. Now if you've not registered on Binance, ensure you check in the description. You see the link and receive 20% commission off trading fee. Now if you want to join our free signal group, you can also check in the description below. Now the first thing we have to look at here is Binance Coin. Now what is Binance Coin? Binance Coin is a coin for the platform, that is BNB, is a coin that is owned by the Binance Exchange. Now before we go deep into the analysis for today, we're going to look at the CoinGecko. If you go to CoinGecko and you search for BNB, you see that BNB is ranked as the 11th cryptocurrency by market cap. 11th cryptocurrency by market cap. If you look at it, you look at the market capitalization of BNB, this is about $7 billion, and then you see the 24-hour low and high. We have all of this trading volume in 24 hours, which is about $1 billion as well, and then the circulating supply and the maximum supply. Now one of the things I want you to understand about BNB coin, in our VIP signal group, I've already told my students and all of those in the VIP group to hold Binance since last year, that is to hold BNB since last year. Reason being that the coin have a very great potential. Not only that is the coin belongs to the Binance Exchange, but if you look at the BNB token, which is the Binance coin, you see they have what you call token bond. They do token bond 4 times every year. That means a reduction of 4% of the total supply until it gets to 100 million supply. So they'll be burning this coin every quarter of every year. That is 4 times. The first quarter of every year they will burn, the second quarter they will burn, the third quarter they will burn, and the fourth quarter they will burn. That means they are burning this coin 4 times every year, which will reduce the total supply. Now if the total supply of BNB is reduced, it means demand will be high, that will lead to a big rise in BNB. Not only that, BNB token as a result of this coin bond is deflationary. That means it's deflationary and not inflationary. That means inflation cannot affect BNB, that is the Binance coin. Reason being that there is token bond that helps reduce the quantity of BNB token in total supply. So you have to also take that into consideration. Not only that, Binance is the biggest exchange in the world by trading volume, and if BNB is their coin, it means it's going to do well. In fact, only that alone is enough reason for you to hold BNB in your wallet. Very important. Now let me go straight to this analysis and show you what I spotted out some few days ago. I talk about it in our VIP signal group, and people start holding a whole lot of BNB. Now if you look at this analysis, I try to look at my chart on the basis of pure price action technique, because that's the right way to go. If you depend on indicator, you may not go much more far in deep analysis. You will have a strategy and all that, but if you use pure price action, then you can attach a little bit of indicator. But the main point is ensure you know your price action very well. Now if you look at the BNB after this rise, we see from here to this very point. You see the market move from here to this very area. You see it move again from this zone. Sorry, it drops down to this very area. Then we have the market move again to this very zone, create a new high. After that new high, we see the market goes down. And then after that, we see the market ride up. So what do we expect next? my point of retracement touch is here, and then the market is going to go to $70. After $70, it's going to retest this very level. It's going to retest this very level, which is at $52,000. And then after that, we're going to see Binance Coin rise to $100. If you look at this analysis very well, let me try to zoom out my chart so that you see it very well. Now, from momentum trading, we have the market move from here to this point. Now, if you look at it, how much does it move? How much does it retrace? What is the health of this very trend and the strength in the move? Now, if you look at it very well, this retrace for about 45%. That is between 42 to 45% retracement. After the retracement, we see the market move to the upside, creating a new high that is higher than the previous high. That means the bulls are still in control of the market and they are ready to, still move the market right up. We see the market come back down. When it comes back down, it creates a higher low, which is higher than the previous low, which means the market is still going to go up. At this point, it was very crucial for anyone that want to take a trade should take the trade after this, because you see there was a little consolidation here. After this consolidation, you see this big move. It was after this big move we see the ride in BNB. Now after this move, this bullish candle, market moved to this very point and then is coming down right now. So you expect this market to retrace to this very level. If this level does not hold this coin, you should look at this very level as well. Look at this very area. So I'm expecting it to touch here and then move up, or if this does not hold it, you should look at this very level. It must surely hold. Is from price action and history trading. Now when we see a high here, market is creating a higher high. So if you draw your trend line from this point up to this level, if you draw your trend line here, you see the market was in a clear uptrend. You see the market was in a clear uptrend, and this uptrend have not come back down. There is no double top or sort of fair swing in this very chart. So we see the market come back to this point and is still going to ride up, or is going to just ride up from this very area. So what we see on this chart is very important. I want to point it out for you so that you understand where, or my own standpoint from my own directional bias. You see the market move up, come back down. Very important. If you look at this very well, it come back down. This was about 42 to 45 retracement, and the market move up again, create a new high, higher than the previous high, come back down, create a higher low, higher than the previous low, and then go up again, create a new high. That means ordinarily, from a novice standpoint, that this market is still in an uptrend and the bulls are very, very much ready to still ride the market to the upside. They still want to ride the market to the upside. So all you need to do is figure out when this retracement have ended. Don't enter here right now, don't buy right here. Notice or take a very deep look at it when this retracement come back down, and when it has ended around this very level or this very level, and then you take another buy on BNB. It's a very simple analysis. It's a very simple one. So if you if you look at indicator, those of us that like to confirm our trade, maybe using indicators as factors of confluence. If you look at the stochastic, oscillator, you see what the stochastic oscillator was doing right here. I talk about using stochastic, and if the market was on an uptrend, you're looking at when the market come into the oversold condition, then you can actually take your trade. Now if you look at it very well, at this point market creates a new low lower than this, then this low, it moves up, creates a new high. If you look at what the indicator was doing, that is the stochastic oscillator, market moved to the upside into the overbought condition, come back down, but does not enter into the oversold condition. So we were not, if you are following the stochastic, you wouldn't have entered any of this position. You wouldn't have entered into any of this position. Reason being that it does not enter into the below 20% mark. That is, if you are following the other strategy I talk about using the stochastic oscillator, so you wouldn't have entered in any of this. But if you are following your pure price action, that is why pure price action trading is one of the best. But you can't do it if you've not acquainted yourself with some basic fundamentals or some basic knowledge about your candlestick and how price move, price order flow, demand and supply level, how to use your top-down analysis, and a combination of all those things that is right on your chart. So BNB, the next retracement is going to pause right here and it's going to go up. If it breaks this level, you expect the market to come down here before it ride up. Now, aside this chart, all that I've talked about, not going to CoinGecko to explain what coin bond is, and then you have to take into consideration that as well, that BNB is going to do very well in 2021. Is very important. Now, if the market breaks here, you're going to see the price come back right down to this point, and at this point I'm expecting the market to ride up. So that is that, guys, for today's video. Again, I want to show you what is going on in our VIP signal group. I talk about Ethereum price prediction. If you check this Ethereum price prediction, you watch this video and you see what Ethereum is doing right now, you will discover that we are actually moving on in our VIP signal group. And Dogecoin, before Dogecoin rise on Friday, I've already given the signal on Thursday, which our VIP members have taken advantage of it. I said buy Dogecoin and hold for 3 months. We are holding Dogecoin for 3 good months because I have seen something on the chart and it's going to do very well. So although our target have hit on our spot trade, but we are still holding some quantity of it. And then if you watch this video that I talk about Ethereum, I talk about Ethereum rise, this very video, and look at the price of Ethereum right now, you discover that we are actually moving ahead also. Now, I also gave a signal on Doge USDT after our Doge BTC hits our target. Doge USDT also hits our price targets as well. So we have a whole lot of signal here that have already hit target. Now, in this VIP signal group, we give both futures, margin, and spot trading signal, and at least 3 signals every day. 3 signals every day. One of the things you need to understand is about the Remit Training and Mentorship program that we give to anyone that is ready to take cryptocurrency to the next level. And this mentorship and training program is designed in such a way that if you are a novice in the cryptocurrency space, you can actually take this course and be a guru in the space. These are the course curriculum. That is what you need to get, and the price tag here. And then if you are suffering a little bit, you are not being profitable in the cryptocurrency space, you check out for our advanced course. And these are the topic that you are going to cover. That's what we're going to train you on and ensure you are very good in trading. And this is the price as well. Remember, if you take our courses, that is both of our courses, you're going to get 6 months access to our VIP signal group. Now, if you take only one, either of the beginner or the advanced, you're going to get 3 months access into our VIP signal. Remember that this training, that is these mentorship courses, are designed in such a way to ensure you become a guru in the space. So that is that, guys, for this very chart analysis. I believe if you follow this analysis very well, as I said, in Ethereum, and it's playing out, you're going to make a good sum of money from BNB. Not only that, BNB right now is undergoing, they are carrying out what we call launchpad. You can as well check out the launchpad section on the website, and you see BNB, that's Binance, is carrying out launchpad. And for you to participate in that launchpad, you must have some quantity of BNB in your own wallet. So there is a high demand for BNB anytime there is launchpad or launch pool on the Binance Exchange. So all of these that Binance is putting together to ensure their coin move far way high, apart from normal technical analysis, and you follow what is happening on the Binance Exchange. What the founder of Binance is saying about the BNB coin, you will be interested in getting much of this coin in your portfolio, so that when it rises, you'll be among those that will also enjoy the rise. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Ensure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I put together a creative content like this, you will be the first to get notified. Thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video. I will see you in the next video.